I have a LG TV model 50PK550, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to open up the back cover so that we can access the boards inside. We're going to be starting with the stand screws, and we have 4 of those. And then we're going to work on a few of the ones near the main board. So we have one small one here, and this one's going to be a little bit unique, so I'll keep it to the side. And then we have a few hidden here in between the component inputs, and these are coarse threaded compared to that first one we just did, so again, keep those separated. And then the HDMI one, which is also a little bit different. So make sure to keep track of all those. Now we're going to work on the screws on the edges of the TV. The common fault that we see with this TV, and the issue that we are currently experiencing with this TV, is that the TV is cycling on and off, but it is intermittent. Sometimes the TV actually turns on and does display picture, sometimes it just keeps cycling on and off endlessly. All right, and we're gonna be finishing up. We have 5 more screws. We have 1 next to the power connector, and we have 4 where the wall mount would otherwise go if we had a wall mount. Now that we've removed all the screws, we can go ahead and lift off the back cover. Be very careful with this one. It is sheet metal, so it's very sharp and it can cut you. And there we go. Thanks for watching. If you did like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and also check out this video next for the how-to diagnostic.